ACCA P2 exam structure. P2 exam paper comprises two sections, Section A and Section B. Section A has a compulsory question, labeled question 1, worth 50 marks. This question deals with approximately 35 marks allocated on preparation of consolidated financial statements, and that includes group statement of cash flows. Not all of 35 marks are allocated to consolidation technique. There will be few transactions or events testing candidates' ability to demonstrate the correct accounting treatment in accordance with relevant accounting standards. The remaining 15 marks is a discursive element question which could be based on professional, ethical, and social issues. Many students ignore this part of question where some marks can easily be gained by stating as to why the person involved in the exam question is acting unethically. For example, has the person accounted a transaction failing to comply with the relevant accounting standard? Has the person revealed certain information which he is supposed to keep confidential? Let's move down to Section B. Section B has three 25-mark questions labeled question 2, 3, and 4, of which students must attempt 2. Question 2 and 3 are either based on a scenario or case study, requiring students to apply their knowledge of the syllabus to transactions and events arising in these entities. The examiner is testing in question number 2 and 3 candidates' ability to identify the issues and stating the appropriate accounting treatment in accordance with the relevant accounting standard. Question number 4 usually addresses current issues of the examinable documents. Most of the marks are earned without number crunching as long as you know the material that is being examined. However, a candidate cannot bluff in answering this question. In the recent papers, question 4 do include a small computational aspect with regard to the topic being examined. The examiner's approach will be to examine several accounting standards at each exam diet. The same topic can appear in more than one question, i.e., in Section A as well as in Section B, where a topic that appears in paper F7 is also included in paper P2. Any examination of that topic will be at a higher level, requiring greater understanding and appropriately higher skill. For example, a transaction is provided in the exam question, requiring candidate, should we recognize a provision for liability? And so the candidate will have to determine from the given information whether the 3 criteria for recognizing a provision under IS 37 are being met. Duration of the paper: as any other professional paper, reading and planning 15 minutes, writing 3 hours. Paper P2, a very demanding paper, but not a difficult paper. Many students do pass this paper. A well-prepared candidate will be able to gain many easy marks to achieve a passing mark. One of the common feedbacks given by candidates who do not achieve a passing mark is lack of practice of questions.